There are two cars, X and Y, which start from the same place but they don't have the same speed and where they have to reach, so they're covering distance. Their destination is equally away from the starting place, and that is how much? That is 480 kilometer. And their speeds are different. So its speed is 60 kilometer per hour, whereas its speed is 80 kilometer per hour. So as I told you that there is a time difference between them because the car Y starts 1 hour later according to the question. So in this question you have to find out which car will arrive the destination point or this ending point earlier and what will be the time difference. Okay, let us see like from the graph. I think that will be more easy to evaluate. So this graph is obviously the speed distance graph or speed time graph, and you know the area under the speed time graph gives us the distance covered. So so the speed we are taking in kilometer per hour and the time we are taking in hours. So that is 20, 40. So the car X started at the time t is equal to 0, whereas its speed is 60 kilometer per hour. So according to this, its graph should be like this. But how much time it took, we don't know about it. But we also know one more thing, that the area under this graph is equals to the distance covered, that is 480 kilometers. So this is the area of a rectangle. The one side is the time and the other side is speed. So 60 kilometer per hour times the t, which is unknown, is the one side of a rectangle, is equals to 480 kilometer. So you can find out easily from here, and it will be 8 hours. It means I should extend it to the 8 hours, and this will be the complete area will be equals to 480 kilometers. Now what about the car Y? The car Y started 1 hour later. So it means that it is the graph in this which we have not showing any velocity till 1 hour. And at 1 hour, according to the question, its velocity is 80 kilometer per hour. So it means that almost from this point like this. So you see this green line, this is the velocity time graph for the car Y. For car Y, we don't know the time, but what you know is the area under the graph, area under this line is 480 kilometers. So we can say 80 kilometer per hour times this time taken is equals to 480 kilometer. So its time is equals to 480 divided by 80 in hours. So that should be 7 hours, 6 hours. So this is the time taken by the car Y. Since you remember that I told you that the car Y started 1 hour later, it means that the total time taken by the car Y must be equals to 1 hour, that when it stopped, plus 6 hour is equals to 7 hours. So it means that in 7 hours the car Y will reach at this point very easily, whereas the car X will take 8 hours to reach this point. It means that the car Y will reach earlier and the time difference is 1 hours. 8 hours and 7 hours difference is 1 hours.